Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss how to get your developer edition org. So an org is nothing but a Salesforce tool specific for our organization. It is just an instance of the Salesforce server provided for our organization. There are two broad categories of orgs, which is production instance. Now all these editions like Essentials, Professional, Enterprise and Unlimited are part of production instance, and full copy sandbox, partial copy sandbox, developer pro org, developer edition org, scratch org editions are part of developer instance. So a production instance org is nothing but an org where all the real life data exists and all the applications and rest of the things which is actually real data is existing in the production instance. Now developer instance can be a copy of the real life data or can be completely blank. It totally depends on whichever edition we are currently working on. But whatsoever a development is required is done in the development instance org. Now a developer edition environment is a free environment. Definitely, as it's free, it comes with less storage than a developer pro org, and users can sign up for as many developer edition environment as they need, and they can sign up for all of them with the same email ID. Now there are few important links like developer.salesforce.com, salesforce.com itself, and login.salesforce.com. Now developer.salesforce.com is used to sign up for a developer edition org, and the following two links can be used to log in to a specific org. Now the following two are not specific for developer edition, they can be used for any edition, but developer.salesforce.com is used for developer edition org itself. So pretty much of talk, and it's the demo time now. Now to register for a developer edition org, you need an email ID. So this is the Gmail ID which I'm going to use, and definitely to sign up we have to go to developer.salesforce.com. That link will take us to this page from where you can click on this sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, it will open the sign up form for you. So let me fill this form. So you can see I have filled in the details. You have to provide your first name, last name, your email ID, which should be a valid email ID. From the roles, you can select any one of them. We are dealing with Apex, so I selected a role as a developer. You can provide your company name. If you are not having any company, you can provide your own name over here as well. In the country, you will select your country and you will provide your postal code accordingly. Now, when you are providing an username, you should take care that the username should be in an email format. What does that mean? It means that the @ and .com should be part of the username, just like you create a normal email ID. But this need not to be an email ID itself. It just need to be in the form of an email ID. One more thing you should take care is definitely you can register for as many developer edition orgs with the same email ID, but your username should be unique. Actually, Salesforce maintains the username uniqueness throughout all the orgs. So that's why whatsoever username you are providing, that has to be unique. So once it's done, all that you need to do is click on this sign me up and then just wait for an email from Salesforce. So you can clearly see we have received one email. So once you will click on it, it will tell you the URL of your org, and definitely it will give you the username information. You have to click on this verify account. This will lead us to this page where we will provide the password. We can change the password for our org, and we can provide the security question and answer for it. So I'm providing the password for this one. You can choose whatsoever security question you want and you can provide an answer for it. This will help you later on when you want to change your password. Definitely I'm not going to show and tell you what's the answer, and click on the change password button. And here you go. Now you got your own developer edition org where you can perform all the development that is related to this Apex level 1, or you can utilize this org later on as well. Now once you logged out of it, how you are going to log in? So suppose you are logged out of it. So I told you few URLs over there, so you can use any of those URLs. For example, there are three ways you can do that. First of all, you can use the login.salesforce.com where you can provide your username and password. You can use salesforce.com as well, and once you land into the salesforce.com page, click on this login. And the third option is using your org's URL. So you can copy this URL and you can open it, or you can directly click on it as well, and all three of them will make you land to this login page. Now this URL one is very special because this will allow you to log into your own org, but the rest of the two from these links you can log into any org by providing correct username and password. So here I am providing the username and password, which is apexlevel1@pst.com. Definitely I'm not going to tell you the password for this, and click on login, and that will make you log in to your own org. It will ask you about registering your mobile phone, which you can certainly do by selecting the country and providing the mobile phone number, but I am keeping it for the later part, so I'm clicking on remind me later. So that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.